7. Best foods to weight lose. While no one food is a magic bullet for weight loss, there are certain foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Most of the foods included as part of a weight loss diet have a few things in common. They're high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling fuller longer, and have a low energy density, meaning that you can eat a decent sized portion without overdoing it on calories. 1. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, dietary fiber, potassium, and phytochemicals. People who eat avocados tend to have lower BMI, body weight, and waist circumference than people who skip this green superfood, per a study in Nutrition Journal. While avocados are higher in calories than other fruits and vegetables, their satisfying fat and fiber combo may help you slim down. 2. Eggs. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, fats, and essential nutrients, like vitamin D and choline. It's the protein, and the time of day we tend to eat them, that especially makes them a powerhouse for weight loss. Eating a high-protein breakfast promotes weight loss, because protein increases satiety while regulating hunger and appetite hormones, helping fend off your hunger until lunchtime. 3. Beans. All beans are high in fiber, which is your friend when you're trying to lose weight because it helps you feel fuller longer, thus controlling hunger. Eating beans and legumes has also been linked with various other health benefits, including lowering blood pressure, reducing LDL cholesterol, and reducing risk of cardiovascular disease. Beans are fairly low in calories and deliver protein as well. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is protein-packed and full of probiotics, which are good for gut health and may help your weight loss efforts. Your gut health can impact your weight, and eating more fiber and probiotics helps keep your gut bacteria happy, which can be good for your metabolism. Just keep an eye on added sugars in flavored yogurts, which only add calories. Instead, use fresh fruit to sweeten plain yogurt. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of high-quality protein and provides plenty of good fats, omega-3 fatty acids. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids helped people feel more satisfied when they were watching their calories, per a study in Appetite. Eating salmon can be a delicious and versatile way to get your recommended 2 weekly servings of heart-healthy fish. 6. Fruit. Fruit gets a bad rap sometimes because it naturally contains sugar. But eating fruit can help you lose weight, especially when you swap in fresh fruit for processed foods or other unhealthy snacks. You'll get a naturally sweet treat, plus reap the benefits of fiber and antioxidants. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that higher fruit consumption was associated with lower risk of becoming overweight or obese, independent of vegetable or fiber intake. Including fruit as part of a healthy diet overall is always the best strategy. 7. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of fiber, and they're high in protein. Eating foods with the 1-2 punch of fiber and protein can help you feel fuller longer, which makes it less tempting to reach for an unhealthy snack between meals. Rich in vitamin A and a good source of heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fats, almonds are a great choice to sprinkle over a salad or side dish. You can also use them in pesto in place of walnuts or pine nuts, top your morning granola with them, or simply keep a small bag in your purse as an emergency snack.